Lok me Culu Dyang padano la dit lo president show irim 7 ube tunko malme Uganda kama berka wachi ene mir dok ngi nying dano dojo dano mamiro kunong chul ene deni sujuyo you report kama neno kawatogi
and tika katika Mario.
Number one, publish the list of those who have, because they have brought the list who have already been paid. It is here. I want it to be downloaded and published at every sub-county. So that you all see it. And if it is fake, then it helps us to act. But also publish the ones whom you say, because you said in Acoli, 16,000 were verified. But 4,000 were paid. So let us all see the 4,000 who were paid. And how much they were paid. And then also the 12,000 who are not yet paid but approved. So that we do mass verification. So that we know that at least these are not false claimers. Like Mao was approached, he never owned a cow. But he was approached to apply. But because Mao wants to go to heaven, he said no. But the others who are telling to go to Gehenna. So that we give ourselves 1 month to study that. In the whole of the north, actually, the whole of Acoli, Lango, and Teso. Then that will help us deal with the issue of, because now there are two issues. One is a flat empowerment for all families reaches everybody. It's better than that opinion. Which everybody seems to accept. But others say, yes, that one is all right, but also maintain the compensation for these other people. But the money of the government is not interest. If it's too much, the government will not money. So that's why it is very crucial that we clean what is going on now as we discuss how to do either, because some people are saying restocking plus compensation for the verified.
odiki odini.
But can the government manage all that?
Ento gamete monotwero chopario eluni dujo.
Por ramene duan la dir lo matika wachine ni lok me chul pidiai mir ki chak cho nying dano da ka ye odojo o pat la wo be ka wachine kan new vision ni se po karti ki lok mati wachine ni la dir lo be teso sub region da ka ye ka nge ket me chulo diai pa dano me teso lao ki don kumbeti ye chuli iteso kite wachine chul aido war mabe la mal kono total at about 68%. Kadong ilau at 48%, actually dong magire at 43%. And a coco footie maduang chul petit chule mape.
Yeah, actually, Oberdana live a part of chill. I live when long pichology, kid me when you quit it. I live a part here, put pichology, get a call me chul. Emma, Amerawachi. La colichini dana wing mir lonyo o dana pe ka lonyo pm joma tika mir lonyo tek lonyo tika wayegio imunyu president wa ni tie jomo kana pe luor charo ko piny gemete nyingo donyo ye kiri kano gi pe ki Dyang chi timaranyi anu ni kitim mogo mapipore o wego chul pa chulu war marach mi achiel chul matika war marach ni Chiaro makawa kum lokum tela. Ni nga gimagetika tela ikit mi chulo Dyang pa chuli. Dyang ma chuli tika nongo ni gitika nongo Dyang kikume. Because kakitiwa yukume team verification. Imui joma kena wani wan ke chulo wachiana era ke chulo wachiana marama wilo ib Dyang era pe kum Dyang. Kimogo mi achien noni Dyang achien ubet chilinga limia beach. Wake limia beach chiara limia bero. Wake limia bero o million achien. Kumberikane ke chol Dyang million achel ema dano aliba para rio itame chilea di mano gameta no mero kerri wek ke chol mano ga question mano mero ke pen ki gamente mia rio Dyang ka kete waine ke bichulo wene wana ro dong dua de ngwene ke no campaign o ene pilok me campaign
I waji mero lo da part ento watie bena ki video mati nyoro tampa chole ma part lo yes America kong producer ko playing kong tampa down kadak pa du bena manyak lo ke
I also concur with you, Your Excellency. Let all the family get at least 7 who know 5. That would be better. Your Excellency, if you are not doing this, as the NRM government, it is very hard for us to approach the election. We need you to intervene with this immediately so that the local community get the compensation.
I would like to suggest that the AC1 of the party structure within the village, they should be the one who should identify the family, the household, so that they are compensated.
We have been receiving a lot of initiatives through the government, but it does not reach the beneficiaries, the rightful beneficiaries. The whole system must be changed. This system of relative friends and in-laws, even if you send trillion shillings here, nobody will be a beneficiary apart from the same people, same group, same team, same committee. Mostly your team, I'm telling you the truth. Our actually leaders are our own problem of the land. Change them. The people will appreciate the government. Thank you.
There are people who stole cattle money. Some of them are here. They are here among us. They should be in prison long time ago. And lastly, as I go to see Your Excellency, the political leaders, there are MPs who have been paid 2,000 cows, ministers who have been paid 3,000 cows, generals who have paid themselves 2,500 cows. They are here. Now today they are saying they give everyone 5 cows. For crying out loud, this one will cause you a political problem. Thank you.
We know very well that the most affected community in Uganda in terms of the insurgency in northern Uganda has been Acholi land. So these are my proposal as a young person, Your Excellency. One, if we are going to continue with the payment through claimant, then a fresh registration and verification be done in Acholi land so that we get the right beneficiary who should benefit from the claimant. Your Excellency, there have been proposals that household be paid. And if household be paid, Your Excellency, I would propose that any person above the age of 20 years from now be compensated with at least 10,000. Thank you.
I must address my discontent with the statistics presented by the Attorney General. I must say that they are very unfair. You realize that the total number of claimants from the whole Asuri sub-region is only 16,000. That's a very big lie. I must say the statistics is not true. And we are going home when we are not happy.
His Excellency, pay attention so much to local leadership. You've given a very big gap to local leaders. You don't listen to us. You've never heard our voices. It is from 2021, we are in 2025. You've not heard from local leadership. So we have a lot of grievances to pledge before you tell.
All these complainants, they have opened their account of ways the payment to go directly to the individual account to avoid another loss of the money. The problem of Acoli shouldn't be compared with other regions. You have seen from the statistics, the claimants from Acoli is almost 16,000. Tesu up to 43,000. Now up to 38,000. The Acoli people are very sincere. We didn't like to exaggerate the figures. Therefore, let our problem be handled in a unique way. Your Excellency, the Acoli community suffered more than any other region. We were here for more than 50 years. Therefore, when you are handling our issues, I urge you have to look at it in a very holistic manner.
Avoid it when I tam pa choli ilokum chol pidyai mamegwa ministers ma part MPs kilotela ma part wang kitika mayor tam ge ilokum chol compensation media part kire winyi kere lok palotel ma part mira kwany we lok ma boss me kutimu wajo ne perotier e kom lotela mamegwa mer lok pa ma boss mekti wajne lu tela mu kene pegitika tim teach ma mira ke tim ka ki kwanyi ti gwa ko romo no la gam anero honorable dongoto bero wayo something similar ne chul mu kene petika wat ma be pian jomagiti kom ayegitika ramo chente me chul ma bino enoni complaints badwong ti kom lu tela magitika executing lock me chul enoni boss me kwajene one can we are our own enemies but
well mira foi ema no da chao la ko loka yo mi wachene actually repe me poko ori padano actually repe me kato giem ma ke lo mabe actually repe kamano lokti ye o were neno kawate lokum kato compensation mero kwanye ke lokpo dongoto generals magati actually guno Dyang libache limie ministers mati actually guno Dyang MPs mati actually ono Dyang ero Dyang maguno ni ono miro chat ka kwanye la kengang mo ma ke kwalo Dyang adani. That is the first problem. Log ma boss mektika wajane boss mektika jwato gyo direct me wachini pero pacholi eni actually lukuo makeni ni ti actually lutim achonya matieni giti ya chuli bene giti kindano kenyu la wij bene pe maogi and because of la wij ma pe mao dano ema o were neno watiki le kodi lutela magitieni kan lo ka pelik no mera wajgen ma father Eric yan wajo ni la kodi gi moni kona cham gena ngoni giti kidi no gi la wij pe maogi gilo volo, gilo kuo, lu cham chana, lu tima rani, wenti kenyo in the names of leaders. Peiramu atin udiko chon ke wajini la tela eni ya chole ke war pe chene ke war pe kire. There's none. They are there guchunganu. Me mira wajini nga ma chim nguti mungo. Ni endak malaika tutwan. Olo toy bi munyi lokte komgi. At the end of the day, kid magen gi nyuro i public, o nyongo magen gi lokone kelo day komgi. Nothing. O we ko tielu tela chela ria dek moni me munyu ka daru ka lopo kogi ki lobu gi pia da la tela chelo dongo to
Pat why o kama madong you bring a very good point ne alutian wa pege wechimo wani nene wogi wa ki megi wa guti kuman one we had that luxury me chimo wogi wa kwori wa maguti mabe chamchana be pere kom waramo me nying chalo the late Adimola ami nying chalo matina likege to tell magumi contribution maguti mabe bon kit ko mo winye inyingi kono piane kar eno no food watie maraj no kit me chul mo watie kar me lwan so opportunity me chente me ngi me wor ching do tela bena beru pare but foundation eno beru tie ngo malo tian wa ko bo waje kum wan ma lutela ma kumpetini neki ke gamente pa Museveni chwalo chente me chulu Dyang wa morwen ento wan lutela wa chamo.
Not even Emma piwa ket bene kiet me chulu chene me Dyang keken kagete logo kum kiet ketela mati ana meta chuli line wati tuolo dano gone wachim go wachwani la tela mene me ya chuli mafudi ramo chimu netini eni la tela ki come PM futiki all the virtues of leadership ba Emma ene la tela mape beru chalo koro makame wori weng no continue to dong ko learn to dong. Leadership is kelo kuch kelo teach mabe kupeke dano mikela laga ne pi mamegi chalo in a laga ne kom dano ma in telogi ento one wate nene laga ma bini ya chuli kita boss me ko wanyani kiri ket billion adi ya chuli lu kuo gito percent ma megi giter kon gangi
ci dong maybe we ngomo ro matimene machala chuli make goro waka chel one cause gena mona chel kenyu ma wan weng not lok wale poti a chel gena mona kenyu ma wan weng wa mar pe gen dok bena dano inera lo mu kena gera mal wanyu tele gitimo ngo and there is one single cause one single person la wo ina wa kama be kanyi jima kana fu doro tela ilao ngomo ro matimene me kelu note ki ma enoni
Emma note ki ma mero teach karachiel no institutions mati ya chuli mayang lutelati ye wengo biro karachiel ka logo ko mana mero wachi dul mado mayang ukonyo kela chuli karachiel we lwenti rotum Emma gitie obedo dini the church oti matek mekela chuli karachiel ento church mo konyo kela chuli karachiel kumbeti we oketo dongi pe udama kara yone makloru chere yone koro ngao chere yone all of them are working in silos. The religious setting
you could say they're retired but
kirika go retiring they still have a voice ento piem dong mwaka bente ka dire duan eno lingo
ci dong ngagi magubule kaka gen
kawa dugu mi ario dul madit mano miro konywa miketo duanwa iwi table actually parliamentary group okak chelo tien kaka umbete mo lo group achiel Acoli loro group mi ario okot jonamos. This is a voice mano miro kela chuli karachiel in levels of legislation erbe nong pe level mi adek the cultural institution
kak area
kumbedi mate loke achana ti bibiene aperti bibiene enta mero wachini karma lwentie konyo ye lokilu dirma eguni min nene pistok dugi ya chuli o weko tina chuli te waji tiki kuch group adek eni kapego binu kara chiel katich kara chiel chi wana chuli food wateka volle
para legni ke gikka ke nyima na pen kumbere la wirore rod David nena chana bena uchwalo tiko chwalo duane me kon en lego la dirlo president Yoweri Museveni me konya chuli twale ene ke lock me nate ki me chul pedian ko nen ko dugi.
I want to bring it to your attention that KPR actually has got a very strong circles for the chiefs, and if possible, the government should consider them to benefit from PDM program as a unit. May I also remind you that on the 27th of January 2020, I made a request to you to contribute 1 billion shilling into our circle, which you agreed to, but no action was taken from your side, despite several reminders by letters and when I met you together with the people from APA. This circle is to benefit all chiefs from all chiefdoms to reduce poverty. That was about 4 years ago, Your Excellency. Today, I'm making a fresh request of 2 billion shillings for our circle. We also want you to support the Queens, older care, women and youth from the chiefdoms under their groups in the various chiefdoms with 2 billion shillings to help in the poverty alleviation and strengthen the family units. Government should fast track the establishment of regional industrial park for Acoli in consistency with the PDM pillars of infrastructure development to answer questions of market uncertainty in Acoli. On cattle compensation, we commend you for settling the matter out of court in 2006, but the compensation process has been slow due to factors like corruption both at local and national government level, and those people and other people and agencies responsible, which has kept genuine claimants waiting for too long, and also it involved ghost claimants. It is important to note that some claimants in Acoli have been paid more than 50% of their claims since 1994 through the Military Compensation Committee based in Bombo by then. Other claimants have received not more than 2,000 shillings since the process began. There seems to be some discrepancy in the list held by the government and that held by the voted claimants. This needs to be harmonized and made known to all stakeholders.
For the 12 men or Duan la we Rodi Rod David Unan Achana ma and Berentica Chualo Legane but la Ditlobo President Yoweri Museveni. Paramita Medici Kamane Birka Gire Kwanine Medo Duan your lock pa Rod Achana.
Emma Kitma Berka watching kwedene ni Northern Uganda Mirocheri Girmakoloni holistic transformation. Holistic transformation Lubani Tela mati ikumalami Uganda mironene jemi wan dugu kara chiel. Luchun wibie jomati ot lega ke jomati ot ke go ben go chak teach kara chiel. Actually tek kagati kara chiel. Imuni kwa ni kara chiel watwero. Donkani kara chiel watwero. Cultural institutions must unite for a common man's agenda. I'm changing your waje down. I'm watching your munyo ki wero. We mon werni lutua we kono gelango Acoli agenda. Agenda pachole yengo.
But chow can be iran watching one Lwak e bene perone cham canati botwa. War wa pakakere. War ki ma pake in anyway institutions ma do me wa egni weng tela me dini tela me te kwaro war ki ma money pedir total botki
Gen maraj ba ema lutela wi bie ka go temo ge mama be kiri ka gamenta yo temo gi don kogi ni ana ya temo. That's a false assurance. Kay doge ke chalo bor ruora chana gi kiri ka ruoro tim gi mama be ruot pe don ko ka wani ana ya temo. Kumberi mati loke lutela dini ke lutela wite kwaro ayego tiyo matek me chako neno lokom pistok ero ngata nge lutela te kware lokom pistok pe luchui wi bie magiti kumberi ni piem giti chene guri gamente wangiti ma wangituolo gitamni chene magamente mini gini miru giti ko mete mi pokachuli
but
which is not right.
Dano wenge you what mo chere garamba kakitika listing ying dano Archbishop Emeritus John Baptist Odama nye perwenki ye Ruot David Onena Chana nye perwenki that famous picture majeni go maka kachele ki konyi Mark Claude chole Benatie ye Kenya, so at least they are recognized.
Then kadong gingeyo ni tiyo kumano lutela mati office pagamente madon kono ini minister kono ini ngo miringeni in romo betiti minister and ministerial appointment is a part-time thing. Cha moe kane aw fudi bi dog kagani kama ini aye te peni kama te ye. So you cannot be bigger than Acoli, you cannot be bigger than the culture. I diri ofisi te kama yiter ye eno ki binu ikit mi te kwaro kit ma jim nomero kido kwede nomero wati wana di ema gimo ki ken ma food kela Acoli kara chiel gimo ki ken ma initi mo chalo ema ma food kelo kero pi Acoli mir wa bin wa porre kumi wana di. We are pushing for Acoli agenda togetherness. Koniti Sweden, koniti London, koniti Kampala, koniti kwe ka food dong tini Acoli anatama ni mir dongo chak por kite pe ni wa timu ngo Acoli wa por kara chiel ma megwa dong megwa
Ki bena dong ki wak gen man ne pian ba dana machala dana ini ba pat dana weng tie ki gen na lemon blue flows dok ka infuri dano iwi balu kamoni wa chak kama gwa kwa rama chak ye nongo la gam ena ye timu kija kimare la tela moni balle moni tie maneno timu kakany warama timu kija war kadong wanena ne ena e gwa la dit de nyimwa kima ki chwak en wekenen pien ba par an ki in any humanly speaking we are prone to error ento kani dong part neno utimo gena kuman la tela eno wabao te ngacha ante tela eno wabao che chuli waiti ko ket kumen
ana ne mer gena raji Acoli te chiel ni dana wen ya Acoli dogituolo ka wachi dogituolo ni angena wajo ne ya Acoli ngata tiki chene ngata tiki kero tamni enen miriloge kom gimo e ken me romo loge and because of that log ma megwa wano pe ki chikawa PM log ma pa Acoli kar mere campaign kar TikTok kar Facebook kar WhatsApp groups ma ke creating ya Acoli petie ngarmo ma cho dir ma wajne this is the developmental idea mo mir won logo kare ka Acoli ki fuk mere ko wajne ngati ka chunkwe ngati mo it's always this rubbish log mo ma pe kelo don lobo ene ki discussing ke ket ko ni tin ke tika wajne yang ka wa kwani topic chala chiel ma chalo tika logo ko mere wajne yang no lo jomite dini guti yu kini mi kelo kuch parliamentary group gi awol beto chan gi jomoti yu chone chogi location no guti yu kini wa ka cholo ben mabe wa ki kunu wanen ni tekwar no tika tikini wa ko tekwar was solid ka wa chako loko la ko loko ma dwa ko kero ento loko ma pe dwa ko kero pa dano chalo an mai no ni dano ti ko ni na chel ti loko la rubi kita gangeti kwere kita tika ko kwere eni lok charo wallogo gin makelo dey ko Acoli weng wallogo gin makela laga ya Acoli wa wego bokko dano wa wego loko dano
chidonga laga nje mabe projects madon ene chalo cholwa pedia ene PDM emioga gijim egini weng dong bino porom leme no wati ki ruate ki note ki mare pat pe wai rama ti ko bokko lok ene weng chawa obde wa mer ko yue manok en wai dugu chen wa rama fut mete ki bokko lok ene kono wa wunyi ki bot in